Hi viewers, welcome back. Today I made this chewy, delicious passion fruit bars. It's a coconutty delight with bits of coconut crust and a smooth texture topping with passion fruit. This passion fruit slice is with a buttery coconut crust. You'll love how easy this passion fruit slice is to make with a creamy layer of passion fruit, fresh lemon juice and sweetened condensed milk. So let's check out the ingredients now. For this recipe, we need 1 small tin condensed milk and 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup icing sugar or powdered sugar, 100 grams butter and 1 cup desiccated coconut. So I have taken slightly powdered version, but you can pulse it or you can use as it is. We need half cup passion fruit pulp and 2 tablespoon orange juice. You can use lime or lemon juice too. If you don't find the fresh passion fruit, you can use the canned version. So today I found some fresh ones, so I'm not going to use this today. I know in some countries you don't find the fresh ones. So this is passion fruit pulp, not the juice. So always use only the pulp. This is a very easy recipe you can do in a very short time. Prepare a 7 by 7 butter tray with a oil paper and leave the paper little longer than this, so that way you can remove the bars easily. This is a 9 by 9 size tray because I didn't have a 7 by 7 size. So my passion fruit bars will be slightly thinner, but if you have the right size you will get thicker ones. Melt the butter. So 100 grams will come approximately slightly lesser than half cup, and then let it cool down. In a larger bowl, let's mix it now. Add the flour, powdered sugar and the desiccated coconut. Combine everything together now and let's add the butter little by little. I have used all the butter now. Now I finish mixing. It should be slightly crumbly. Don't go for a perfect dough. So now let's press it in the tray. Now place mixture into the baking pan and press down to form one even layer. Use a back of the spoon or a spatula to press down firmly over the base. Now this is ready to go to the oven. Bake for 10 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, or the crust is slightly brown. Now let's mix the topping. In a bowl, add 1 cup of condensed milk. The condensed milk come out easily when you apply oil or butter for the cup. add the orange juice and the passion fruit pulp. Combine everything together. It should be a pouring consistency like this. So now let's remove the coconut crust from the oven. I removed from the oven after 12 minutes. Now let's pour the topping over the coconut crust. Spread it evenly and add a tablespoon of passion fruit pulp on top and just spread it with a spoon. This is optional. If you like it, you can do it, or you can just skip it. Now let's bake it again for another 15 minutes or until slightly firm on the top when you touch it. I just removed this from the oven after 15 minutes. You can see the crust is slightly brown now. I'm going to leave in the tray for half an hour and then remove it and slice it. Now remove slowly after half an hour and then leave it in the fridge for at least 1 hour before you slice it. I left it in the fridge for 1 hour and now let's cut it. Now see this passion fruit bars. The coconut crust is buttery and sweet and baked firmly. And it's like a shortbread, a little like a shortbread. The topping has no mess or no sticky. So easy to handle it. And look at the crust, just like a shortbread crust. To get nice clean slices, just use a sharp knife and wipe it off between the cuts. After slicing, store it in the fridge in an airtight container and use it whenever you want. Now this easy and delicious passion fruit bars are ready. I am so excited to share this recipe with you. This is one of my most popular recipes, but I couldn't share it earlier, but I had many requests for this recipe. It is the perfect slice if you have a passion fruit vine in your garden. Hope you liked this super simple, easy passion fruit bars recipe. Please do try out this recipe and leave a comment and share it with your friends. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed my channel so far. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.